everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Here's a quick tip for you. Today's quick tip is to make your life better. I know a lot of cooks that I see, they have a wastebasket type bucket that they keep around, but you know, it's always in the way, no matter where you put it, and then you end up tripping over it, or you see sometimes when I have really big stuff, I throw it over here. Well, I found this at the dollar store, and these are some little bags. My mom got me using these years and years and years ago. These are just little bags that you use around your kitchen when you're cutting up things. And I'll tell you, they're kind of a heavy rubber. This particular brand here is called a bio bag. So it's kind of neat. And I just bought this and just drilled a hole through the side. I put a screw in to hang it. So it's easy. It's a rubber material, so you can drill a hole through it. You can put a screw through it. You can put a nail in somewhere if you want. And then you just put your bag on this. So what I do is I have a little hole right in here that I just drilled, and I have a screw right in the side that I just hang it on. You could leave it on your counter. You can hang it on a wall with a nail or a screw, wherever you want to have a wastebasket. Put it on the floor. But these nice little bags, they work really, really well. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right-hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also, more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.